Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Patreon creator account to start monetizing your content and receiving payments from supporters, follow these comprehensive steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Patreon website and log into your creator account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to your creator dashboard by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Settings or Creator Dashboard. Step 3. Look for the Identity Verification or Payout Settings section in your Account Settings menu. Step 4. Click on the Verification option to begin the identity verification process. Patreon requires this to comply with financial regulations and ensure secure payments. Step 5. You'll be asked to provide personal information including your legal name, date of birth, and address. Enter all information accurately as it appears on your official documents. Step 6. Upload a government-issued photo ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national identity card. Make sure the image is clear and all details are legible. Step 7. For payout verification, you'll need to connect a bank account or PayPal account where you want to receive your creator earnings. Step 8. Complete any additional verification steps such as tax form submission. U.S. creators need to provide tax information for IRS compliance. Step 9. Submit all required information and wait for Patreon to review your verification request. You'll receive an email confirmation once approved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.